My name is Kevin Bingham. I am the inventor of the Rope Runner. The original Rope Runner that I made back in my garage, I was very into having a pulley below. One of the issues that we were having is rope compatibility. So we developed the Vertec with the bollard. The bollard also has advantages in that it gives you a wider variety of ropes that you can use, and you have a little bit more control on descent. So the Vertec fit, I think, a needed niche, but there was a lot of demand for the pulley to be reinstated.
I'm Calvin Seeger, and I'm the product manager for Notch Equipment. So what the Aeris does is adds a pulley to the lower friction body of the Rope Runner Vertec. So this will remove the bollard and add a pulley. So how you would choose between these, really up to your preference of how much friction you want in the device. I think it'd be great if you could come out to a show and climb on the bollard and on the pulley.
The new Aeris pulley attachment is such a great feature. For me, is having some shoulder issues, very little tension when you're pulling your slack is really big for me. Just so much easier to tend slack, drag tail, and just overall how the device works. The functionality of the pulley has been incredible.
The original Rope Runner and the Rope Runner Pro both had a pulley, and they were somewhat limited in the ropes that they could use. So we developed the Vertec with the bollard to solve that issue. But obviously there's advantages having a pulley. So the Aeris is another option for the Vertec.
I think people will choose between buying the standard Vertec or the additional Aeris pulley based upon what device or system they've come off of already. If they're coming off of something that is maybe a mechanical and they've had some experience with that, maybe they're going to look towards the Aeris pulley versus somebody who's coming off of a prusik and maybe looking to get into mechanicals. They might stick with that Vertec with the bollard. So the way I've been looking at it is the Vertec with the bollard is a production device, where the Aeris comp kit, I mean, it says it right in there, is more of a comp device. The tending is better with the pulley, so when I'm doing removals, I can set a line and go ahead and spike right up, and it takes almost no rope weight beneath it.
In competition climbing, I might choose the Vertec for the work climb where I'm trying to do big swings, big controlled descents. I feel like I have more control on descent with the bollard. Now, when I go to the Masters Challenge and I'm climbing the tree more and I'm working through the tree and I might end up coming up and over branches and dragging a lot of tail, I'd want the pulley in place.
So if you purchase this with the bollard or the Aeris pulley attachment, this device is CE certified.
We've been working hard over the past year, different prototypes, angles, bumps on the body, the position of the adjustment, and we've figured it out. We've got it now, so it's fully past CE and it's ready to go to the climbers.
The Aeris is going to be purchasable as an add-on or as a kit, so you can purchase just the lower friction body, or you can purchase the kit together with the pulley and the Rope Runner Vertec.